Have you ever entered the wrong data in a cell and ruled your entire worksheet? What if I tell you a cell can stop wrong data entering automatically? In this video, I will show you how to use data validation in Excel step by step, even if you are a beginner. Data validation controls what people are allowed to type into Excel. It is used in data entering jobs, payrolls, HR records, student data, and forms. If you work with Excel or want data entering job, this skill is very important. You need it. Let's use this data set so you can practice along with me. This is a data set we are going to be working with. You can see the employee name, the age, department, gender, and start date. Let's say the first one we are going to do is allow only numbers. We want to allow only numbers so that you can input only numbers. So we are going to be working with the column of age. What we need to do is to select it. Select this column, which is for age. Once you select, you click on data. You have the home, insert, then you come here, you click on data. Once you click on data, you go to data validation. Here is data validation. Then you click on it. You see data validation. Click on data validation. Once you click on data validation, you will see this place that says, you go to setting. You click on setting. Once you click on setting, you can see this place that says any value. You click on it, drop down icon. You will see whole number. Change it to whole number. Then now we want to tell you that, let's say in our company, we need people that are 18 years, minimum of 18 years and maximum of 60 years. Then here we can type in 18. Then we come here, we type in 60. Then once you type it, you click on OK. As we click on OK, so now let's input the age. You know we gave it minimum of 18 and maximum of what? Of 60. Let's say this is 23 years old. Then this other one is, let's say, 16 years old. Let's see what will happen. Look at what it brought out. It said this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell, which means what? This person is below the age because we said minimum of 18 and maximum of 60. Let's go back there. Let's now type, let's say we type 18. Look at it, it has allowed it. So let's type 65 years old. Still the same thing will come up because we said maximum should be 60. So we come here, let's say 50 years old. As you can see, it has showed us that what? Minimum should be what? Should be 18 and maximum should be 60. In the sense that if you type anything less than 16, error will pop up. And then if you type anything more than 60, the error will still pop up. So once you have done this, this is very useful for HR records, that is human resource records, and job application forms. Like people HR record in the sense that they are filing people's documents for someone that is working. Let's say the company needs people 18 years and above. Then someone 16 years comes in. If they're entering the record, once they see that the person is 16 years, which means the person is already disqualified. That is why I said it's very good for HR record and job application. Let's go to the next one, which is creating a drop down list. This makes your work to be very easy. Now let's create a drop down list so users don't type department wrongly. What we need to do is we want to select this department. Then we now input what we want the department to be. We don't want people to come and start typing it in. but so that it will just bring out a list, then you select from it. You select the department, the column. Once you select it, still go to data. If it's on home, go back to data. Once you click on data, you click on data validation, then still here, settings. From the settings, you come here, you change it to list. From this list, let's type what we want it to be. The department, let's say the IT department, let's say the HR department, let's say the finance department, finance. Then we click OK. Once we click OK, so let's come here now. Let's say this John, 23 years. Let's say this person is in IT. Once you click on any of the cell, you will see it. You will see this thing here is showing us what that we should type, that you should select this drop down icon. You click on it, look at it. IT is there, HR is there, and finance is there. Let's say we need the IT. You click on the IT. Let's go to the next one. Let's say the next one is Mary. And let's say this Mary is in finance department. What we need to do is click on this same icon. Once you click on it, you click on the HR. It has been selected. Then the next one, let's say the next one is in finance. You click on it, then you click on finance. As you can see, it has selected, we have done what? We have selected it without typing, so that people will not make mistake in typing it. If this drop down is helpful, like this video right now. Let's do another one. Let's do another drop down for the gender. Let's say this gender here, I've removed the male and female that is there. Now we just want a situation whereby someone will come and select it. Instead of typing, we click on it. Then the same thing, you go to data, then you come to data validation. Click on data validation. You select list. You come to this socks. You type male, female. Once you do that, you click on OK. So let's come here. John, you select it as male. Mary, you select it as female. Then here, Paul, you select it as male. Even though it's 1,000 people, customers, or even though it's 1,000 people that you have here, you can easily select them without typing. Just if you want to select the column, select it down to all the things that you want it. That is all the cells that you want it to appear. That is how you can do that. Drop downs reduce spelling errors and make your Excel look more professional. So now the next one we are going to be looking at is the data validation for date. I've deleted the date there here. So let's say the start date. Let's select the column. Then you still go to data validation. If you're home, once you log in on your Excel, is always on home. You go to data, then you click on data validation. Data validation. Here you change it the date. You change it to date. Here that we have worked with the whole number, the list. Look at date here. You click on date. Then the start date. Let's say the start date is 1st of January 2020 to December 31st, 2030. Once you have done that, you click on OK. So now let's enter. When did this person start? Let's say this person started 1st of January 2021. It has accepted it. Let's say this person started, we set it 2020. Let's say 1st of 2020. It worked. Let's say this person now, let's say 1st of February, let's say February, let's say 1999. We click on OK. He said the value does not match the data restriction, the data validation restriction defined for the cell. That is why. Why? Because we said from 2020. So anything below 2020, error is going to pop up. Anything more than 2030, error is going to pop up. So that is that. Let's see now. Let's say 1 or 4 2025. Let's say 2025. You can see it has worked. So in this, as you can see it has worked. Try typing. As you can see it has worked. So this is how you do what you restrict the date. You restrict the period of date that you want. This one we are going to be looking at is the input message and error alert. Let's guide users before they make mistake. We are going to let them know if they are typing the age, it should give them should pop up a message telling them that the age for you to apply. I told, just as I said before, for job application and for HR record. Let's say for the job application, we want to let them know that is from 18 years to 60 years. So what we need to do, let me delete this first. Let me delete it. So let's say we select here. Once you select it, we want to give it a rule. So we select it. Once you select it, you come to data, then data validation. Once you click on data validation, then you come to input message. Then the role we want to give to it, let's say title first, age, let's say age rule. What message do we want? Let's say enter, we say enter age between 18 and 60 only, between 18 and 16 only. Then let's say for this sake, we come to this place, which is the error alert. Once it gives it this is the error message. Let's say what the person inputted is not correct. You should come here and give the person error message. The error message should be invalid. It should pop up invalid age. Please enter a valid number or age. Let's say enter a valid number. Let's click OK. So now let's look at it. As you tap on this cell, look at what just happened. It has already popped out the message saying age rule, enter age between 18 and 60 only. Is now telling you to enter age between 18 and 60 only. So anybody that sees this, we know that is between 18 years to 60 years that this company or this application needs. So what, let me say I come here, I type 23, it has accepted it. Let's say 40, it has accepted it. Let's come here and say 15. Look at the error message which we gave to it. We ask it to pop out for anybody that type in what is wrong. You can see invalid age. Please enter a valid number. Let me cancel. So once it pop up like this, which means the person have already known what I entered is wrong, I will now come here and say, let me say 55. Enter. You have seen it. It has already accepted the number that I just entered. This is very important when sharing Excel files with others. You need to add these things. And then another thing, Let me give you one other thing that you need to know. If you are doing data validation, if you are working with this data validation, for you to work as a pro, let me give you one tip that you need to know. For example, you want to copy this age, then you want what is here to appear. That is the rule you gave to it. Let it appear in this place. Don't paste by number. Once you right click, you can see paste by number. If you paste by number, you can see only the number will appear. The rule will not appear. But let's come here now. You right click, allow it to come up because you have given it command. So once you come here, you click on paste spatial. You use paste spatial. Look at this place now. As you look at this one that I did paste spatial. If I click on it, you can see the rule. It's giving me the rule because I paste spatial. But look at this one that I paste by number. You can paste by number, by value. Look at this one by number. I paste it by number. Look at it. The rule is not appearing there. Why? Because I did not paste it very well. So if you are working with it, maybe you want to share it with someone or you want to copy it to another sheet, just be careful so that your rules and everything will still be intact. The next one I will show you is how you can protect your sheet. Someone that is working with this data validation, if you want to protect your sheet, what do you need to do? You come here, you select the sheet that you want to protect. Once you select it, then you click on home. You're on home if you're on home already. Then you come here, you click on review. Once you click on review, you will see protect sheet. Click on this protect sheet. Once you click on this protect sheet, it's telling me to enter password that I want to use to unprotect it. If I protect the sheet, let me type my name, Hilda Queen 3. I click OK. Hilda Queen 3. I click OK. So now it's protected. Let me try to type something. Look at it. It's telling me that this cell or chart I'm trying to change is already protected. Nobody can type anything. Even though I leave it and go out, nobody can come here and type anything or change what I've done. Why? Because I've protected this sheet. For me to work with it or for me to give access to someone that wants to, even though I share this file with someone, the person can't edit anything. But if I want the person to have access to it, or if I want to continue with my work, you still, if you're on home, you still go back to this review. Once you click on the review, you click on unprotect sheet. Click on unprotect sheet. Then you type the password that you have entered. Hilda Queen 3. I click OK. Okay. Okay, now I've entered the password. Then now let me try to type something here. Look at it. It's already typing. Look at it. It's typing already. Unlike before that it didn't allow me to type. Look at it. It's typing already. That is to tell you that what I've unprotected the sheet. You can use this for data entering sheets, for data entering tests and forms. Now you know how to stop wrong data entering in Excel using data validation. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe, and drop your Excel questions in the comment section. I will be there to answer. Thank you very much. Bye.